All right, let's talk about something that doesn't get enough love. Trade schools. Not everyone wants to or can spend 4 years grinding through college, racking up debt, and hoping there's a job waiting at the end. Trade schools? They flip the script. First off, speed. Most trade programs take just a few months to 2 years. That means you're out there earning a paycheck while your college friends are still picking classes. And cost? Huge difference. Trade school tuition is way lower. We're talking about saving tens of thousands of dollars, and that means way less student debt hanging over your head. But here's what I really love: hands-on training. You're not just sitting in a lecture hall, you're actually doing the work, fixing engines, wiring buildings, prepping meals, caring for patients. When you graduate, you're ready to hit the ground running. Plus, a lot of these jobs are in crazy high demand. Electricians, welders, HVAC techs, these aren't getting outsourced or automated anytime soon. That's real job security. And if you know exactly what you want to do, trade school cuts out the fluff. No random gen ed classes, just pure, focused training for the career you want. Now, to be fair, college degrees can open doors in other ways. They're broader and might make it easier to switch careers down the line. So it's smart to research job outlooks and salaries in your field. But if you're more of a hands-on learner, or you want to get working and earning fast, trade school could be your ticket. Bottom line, trade schools offer a practical, affordable, and direct path to a solid career. And for a lot of people, that's the smartest move they can make.